Whole30 is a 30-day dietary reset designed to help you change your health, habits, and relationship with food. So for 30 days, you're gonna leave out foods that are commonly problematic in one of 4 areas: your cravings, your hormonal balance, digestion, and your immune system, and see what happens. What happens to your energy, your mood, your sleep, and your cravings, aches and pains. At the end of the 30 days, you'll add those foods back in very carefully and systematically, one at a time, and compare your experience. It's how you figure out which foods work for you and which don't, and how to craft the perfect sustainable diet for you. So people will often come up with a lot of reasons they can't do Whole30. I don't have time to meal plan, I don't have time to cook, I travel a lot for work, or I socialize for my job. And I could come back with answers to those issues. Oh, you don't have time to meal plan? We have a Real Plans meal planning service. Or you don't have time to grocery shop? I immediately send them to Thrive Market. Thrive makes it so easy with their Whole30 starter kits. It's got all of the emergency food and pantry staples that you could possibly need. Everything's all in one place. So you don't have to go to 4 different health food stores. You don't even have to read a ton of labels because we've got our Whole30 picks pages right there for you. In the big picture, the Whole30 is actually the easiest part. Anyone can do anything for 30 days, but it's what you do after the program is over for the rest of your life that really counts. And we want you to take what you've learned on the Whole30 and turn it into this sustainable experience.